Hi, so now we are going to look at making our braided loop, and I'm going to hold these up nice and close. Hopefully you can see these. Now these are the loops at the top which make the fitting at the end. So we start with the end almost, so we're working backwards. Now there's two ways that I'm going to teach you. Some of you, particularly if you've done finger knitting, crochet, other crafts, might prefer option one. I prefer option one too. Or if you're new to this type of working with your hands and dexterity, option two might be a better place to start. Another tip, if you are using a bead and you want to use the bead as a form of fastening your bracelet at the end by popping it through the loop, you want to measure your loop size to be able to be the circumference of your bead. So the beads that come in our kits, for example, are 1 centimetre across. So you need to make sure that your loop is at least 1/2 centimetre long, so that when you try to pop the bead through, it's going to work. As you can see, this loop for this bead is too small, it's not going to work. But what I like to do is to fasten the bracelets, take them up to the charm and the beads. That's always another option. So don't worry if you don't make your loop quite big enough to pop the bead through. If that's what you want to do, you can still fasten your bracelet by popping your braided plaited tail through and fastening it that way. Okay, so making sure you have your threads in half like we mentioned in the last video, with your cotton inner all measured up in half, so both ends are matching here, and both of your cotton inners, takes a little bit of fiddling, are lined up there. And we're going to thread them over your finger here like so, and then I'm going to show you what to do.